What's up, guys? Welcome back to Beauty with Ty. So here I am serving this frontal realness, baby. Yes, I was inspired by Slay with Millie's method of plucking her frontal, and I gave it a try, and I am so in love. This hair is the bomb too. Look at it. Look how it's just flowing. So let's get into this video, guys. I was sent this hair by Vshow hair, and it came with a black cap I didn't use, and it comes with the frontal. As you can see, it has a very nice luster, very soft, and the hairline has been pre-plucked a little bit, but we're going to go in on that hairline. And these are the bundles. They're really thick, nice, and soft. Like when I say soft, I mean super soft. This is some good hair. So this is what the frontal is looking like so far. I did bleach my knots as well as tint my lace, and it just looks like a regular frontal you get from a hair company, but we're gonna slay this. So in her video, she did like basically like a M. So she parted the hair like this, creating like M's or like half circles. That's pretty much what it is. Just create 3 half circles, and it's gonna be like where you're gonna pluck behind there, and you're gonna see that in a second. So your frontal should look something like this. Then you go ahead and spray it down with some water, because it's best to pluck your frontals when the hair is wet. And then she started to pluck the hairline behind where she parted the hair. So this is going to give you pretty much like a guideline of how far back you need to go. So she just plucked, and that's exactly what I'm doing here, just plucking and then making sure I comb off the hair as I go. And she also did this first before she started plucking, but I just realized. So I went ahead and cut the hair, because that's all going to be like baby hair. Not necessarily baby hair. It's going to help fill in and form more of a natural hairline, because it won't be so thick. So that's what I'm doing here, is plucking it, part it, go back in and pluck it some more. Make sure I am removing the hair that I have plucked away, and then I'll comb it back to see what else needs to be plucked and what doesn't. So I went back, created my M again so that I can pluck some more, because it was still a little too thick. And then I just went on to the next section. You want to do this to all 3, and you want to do it to the other side as well. So again, we're just plucking behind and then plucking the actual like baby hair part. That's what we're gonna say. And just keep repeating those same steps. And you guys, make sure y'all click her link down below so you can go to her page and subscribe to her channel. She has like a lot of hair reviews as well, and she really be slaying her frontals and custom units. So definitely go show some love and check her out. So here I did all 3 sections, and I'm trying to make sure that I plucked it enough. So I'm trying to see what it looks like with a little baby hair, and it's still a little thick. So I'm going back in and plucking some more with the hair pushed back, so I can actually see what else needs to be plucked and whatnot like that. So that's what I'm doing here. Again, going in. Just like in her video, what she say, right here, we gonna go ham. So that's what I'm doing, just going in and section out the hair, plucking more, whatever you need. And I should have bleached my knots just a little bit more, because you can kind of still see them. The knots were a little stubborn, like they just wasn't bleaching. So I should have done it again, but I was just like, it's okay. So plucking the middle a little bit, and then as you can see here, we're going to do the same thing to the other side, creating a M or our 3 half circles, and then go ahead and plucking behind that hairline part again. So that's all I'm doing to get it like this. I thought I was going to wear it in the middle part, but I didn't like it in the middle part, so I did a really cute side part. So again, pushing the hair back, and this side I didn't cut too much, so I went back in and cut some more, because you don't want those baby hairs to be too long. And then I'm adding my mousse, and so I can go ahead and form my baby hairs so they can dry and actually mold like that, to make it easier when I actually install my wig. So that's all I'm doing here, just getting my baby hair swooped. I know it looks really extra and stuff, but that's just what you got to do to get it to look good. So after that, I'll wrap it up, put a little scarf on it, let it sit, and mine was sitting for like a couple hours. If you don't have a few hours to spare, then just blow dry it. And here I went ahead and installed it because I have a couple videos on how I install my lace, and I'll leave a link down below. And I use Ghost Bond glue and adhesive, and this is what it's looking like. So I'm going to go ahead and fix that. So here I'm going for a side ponytail, like I said, just making me a part, and then I'm going to go ahead and hot comb that over so I can get it a side part, you know. And after that, just get my part really straight. You really can't see it because I bleached my knots, and I should have like put a cap underneath, but that cap method be taking forever, and it's like a hit or miss. So I'm just going to add some concealer because I didn't add a cap. If you put a cap underneath, you won't have to do that. And then I'm going in with that foam lotion again. Well, this one is a different one because um, I'm trying different ones, and this one I really don't like. But now I'm just creating some baby hairs, get them to swoop how I like them, and then I'll go ahead and tie my scarf around it. I have a couple videos on how to do baby hairs, but this is really all I did, and then I tied it down. And y'all, when I say this thing looks so good, like even better in person, like I was so happy with the results. Like this little half circle method, I'm here for it. And look at this hair. It has like a really nice luster to it. It is like jet black. It looks so good. Look at my hands just going through it. I was just so in love. So you guys definitely go check out Slay with Millie. Subscribe to her channel. Let me know what you guys think about this video and this slay, because honey, I was here for it, here for all of it. But yeah, leave me a comment down below. Please thumbs up this video and subscribe if you haven't already, and definitely go check out Vshow hair because this is some really good hair. Like, look at it, it looks so good. Y'all, I had this wig on my head for 3 days. Yeah, 3 days now, and it is the bomb. Go check them out. I love you guys. Bye.